My 4.6 liter Ford here has picked up a nasty misfire, and thankfully it has also set a trouble code for it. Now these trouble codes, the last digit in the trouble code tells you which cylinder it is. So with this truck, the passenger side front to back is 1 through 4, the driver's side is 5 through 8. And so I know that my trouble code indicates cylinder 2 is our cause of misfire. So cylinder 2 is the second one from the front. Now you note these are aftermarket coils, and that's because I've had to change these more than once. So all we need to do in order to fix this trouble code, hopefully, because this is a common problem on these 4.6s, is loosen this bolt, remove this coil pack, replace it with the new coil pack, throw a little dielectric grease on there just to keep things nice. So I've got a 7mm on a universal here. We're just gonna spin this right on out. Okay. Wire unplugged. And our rubber boot broke, or well, came loose. So we gotta extract this. There we go. Little rusty. It's a little dab of dielectric. We don't need a ton. And then we're gonna take this and right back into there it goes. Put our bolt back in, plug our connector back in, and we're done. There we go. All right, and we are plugged back in with our electrical connector. Everything is locked down nice and tight. Let's fire this thing up and see if our misfire is gone. Sounds like all 8 again. So if the service engine light is on for a misfire, it disables the air conditioning. So that's good to know. The AC gets disabled when the service engine light is on for a misfire. So if you're down on power and you don't have AC anymore, check for misfire. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.